Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Now scroll down again to the bottom and find Special App Access, and here in this list we have to localize this option, Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it, so just tap on the app, in my case Chrome, and then tap on the switcher. After getting back you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.